Hello there. This is the first video in this series that I'm making, and this may be a little bit of introductory video that I'm making on Forex trading. And I understand if you're watching this video, you already are in Forex trading and you must be having fun with it. I've had a lot of success lately with trading the Forex because I found out some strategies to really work. And I've been trading Forex for more than 1.5 years now. But I didn't really have some strategies those worked. So the easiest thing for me to do was trading the news. And later on, I found out that's the worst thing to do. And I'll explain in the next videos in series why I say so. I'm not against trading the news. If it's working for you, sure, go ahead. And again, this is not an attempt to change what you do and to ask you to do what I'm or follow what I'm doing here, and I'm having success with it. I would say if what you're doing is working for you, if you're getting 90% of your trades positive with the kind of strategy that you follow, I would say just stop here. Don't even watch this video because this may not be for you. However, if you are looking for something to change in the way you trade the forex, or if you want to get more success, sure, continue watching this video. Um, so I took a class. This is, somebody who runs a trading group here locally in the area that I live in. I ended up taking his class. It was paid class. I paid the fee to learn the straight trading strategies, and it's like basic four strategies I learned. And there are some variations to those basic strategies, but it's not nothing fancy. It's very simple, and based on the basics, which is I like really very much. I like the basics on these trading strategies. And as you can see, this is the chart I trade with. I use the candlesticks, and it's not very fancy indicators or anything. It's just the moving averages and the famous MACD. So before I get into the details, let me show you what kind of success I'm talking about. Um, this has been more than a month of trading with these new strategies that I learned. And as you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 trades I've taken so far. And as you can see, all these green ones are the ones where I had the take profit defined. I had predefined take profit point when I entered into the trade, and precisely the points had hit, and that's how I ended up making trade the profits. Now, as you can see here, I trade micro lots. There's a reason for it, because when you're trading micro lots, you're not keeping huge money on the table that you would lose. So of course, on the other hand, the profits will also be accordingly smaller. But since I said this is my strategy test, I wanted to make sure that before I put in the bigger lots, I just wanted to make sure the strategies work. As you can see, as I started getting the success, I was changing the lot size, and every time I'd put in the orders, those have come out positive. Now, the ones that you don't see are green, but you see there is still profit, are the trades where I had entered into a trade, and according to my strategy, the price action was moving in opposite direction. So the moment I realized that, I exit out. So I closed my orders. So it didn't really actually go all the way till my take profit, but it did make me profits, and I didn't really lose any money. However, that's not the only case. I would be telling lies if I tell you all my trades were positive. If you see here, two of my trades really went bad. I wouldn't say bad. I mean, this one did go against me, and I ended up losing some pips, losing some money. This one, when I realized the price action was against me, I actually used my averaging strategy. So this Euro AUD, and you can see here Euro AUD here. So I was averaging. So here I made $9.30, and here I lost 18.55. So net I only lost $9 effectively. And that's also one of the strategies which is of a great help, and I'll explain that. As you can see, let's say these 11 and 12 and 13, out of 13 trades, 11 of them I'm positive. And for a trader, That's a huge deal. So all in all, in those many trades, I must have made around 300 pips, and 300 pips in a month is a big deal, honestly. And I'm not bragging about it. I didn't even realize how big deal was it unless I spoke with a banker. I mean, a person who does forex trading for a bank, and he goes, if we get 80 or 90 or 100 pips a month, that's like the best month. And again, this is not a rocket science. As you can see, my charts are really simple. This is not something that I invented. This is based on the basics of forex, the bar reversal and what have you. So anyhow, there are much more simple strategies. Those could really work, and as you could see my results, it does work. And I will continue to post my results. I'm actually going to make a video where I would show my actual trades and how I took it and why I took it and how the price hit my take profit. So stay tuned and look forward for some more videos. Thank you. Signing out.